Right. Go on then, Georgie.
What's that? George's room. Oh, cool. Aren't they lovely? Let's go into your bedroom.
And what's Etty got?
Open yours.
And what is it, Mummy?
It's a picture going in your room. It says at your room. Juliet's room. Oh, how cool are they?
Teddy bear.
Blue bear. Don't pull his eyes off.
What do you say?
What do you want to say to Alex? Thank you, Alex.
Say thank you, Alex. Say thank you, Alex, Ollie.